Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bloxstrap multi-Roblox not working. So if you are facing the issues with Bloxstrap multi-Roblox not working, don't worry because in this guide, I will show you how to exactly fix it. So first of all, you will have to open your web browser and search for Bloxstrap GitHub. Now, once you search for this query, you just have to simply click on the first link, and from here, you just have to download the latest version of the software on your PC. Afterwards, once you have successfully downloaded it, you just have to launch the software, and then this type of window will be open in front of you. By default, you will be on the integrations tab, so you will have to simply come to the bootstrapper tab and you need to click on it. Over here you will see the first option of prompt to confirm when launching another Roblox instance, so you just have to simply enable this feature. Afterwards, you will have to simply go to the engine settings, and in the engine settings you will have to change the frame rate limit and you need to set it to 240 for better performance. Afterwards, you will have to scroll down a little bit and you need to click on Bloxstrap settings section. Then you need to make sure that the automatic update feature here is disabled in order to prevent issues in the future. Finally, once you are done with all these three settings, you need to click on this save button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and that's it. Your Bloxstrap multi-robot should be working properly now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.